You're probably wondering why I have two bundles. Both bundles have 7 items in it. This bundle is from WANTABLE. This bundle is actually from my closet. So what I've decided to do, they're heavy, is anything that I keep from my WANTABLE box, I am going to remove one item from my closet, and I will donate it or put it on Poshmark depending on what the item is. So let's get started and open the bundle. I'll show them to you real quick and then I'll do a try on. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to, what do I want to call this? It's kind of like you keep one, get rid of the other. I don't know, I can't think off the top of my head. But anyways, if you're not familiar with WANTABLE, they sent, oh, piece of jewelry. They send you 7 items, and if you keep 5 items, you get a discount. I'll put that on the screen. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I think it's 20%. They also give you an option of returning it by UPS, or there is another label that is actually on the bag to return them in USPS. Okay, Barbara, get it together. I'm having a hot flash. And I turn the heat way down because it's still cold here in the Midwest of Ohio. All right, so let's just get going. Let's just move on. So you get 7 items. If you keep 5, I'm pretty sure you get 20% off. And let's start with the jewelry. I will give you the pricing of everything during the try on, and pretty much tell you if I think I'm going to keep them or not. These are cute. I'm going to go ahead and open it because depending on the price, I might keep these. Look at these earrings. They're a gold tone. Those are cute. Like those. I like the dangly earrings. I like those a lot. Okay, so we're off to a good start. Might have to remove something from my pile. This is a cute color. All right. Oh, I see. It crisscrosses in the front. Sleeveless. Love the color. Pretty. Possibility. Okay, I don't know. I have 1 pair of jeans in my pile from my closet. These are kind of cute though. Liverpool. Oh no, probably not. But they have the elastic waist with the drawstring, which I am not a fan because I have the belly thing going on and I don't like this to look like I'm pregnant. I won't tuck a shirt in right now, but they have pockets. They have the pockets in the back and they are cropped. Yeah, the fabric feels amazing. It's like a slack material. So I know I'm not going to be a fan of those, but I'll try them on. You never know. Okay, here's a hood. Kind of, is it? Or is it a cow neck? What do they call that? It's not really a hood. I would say that's like a cow neck maybe. I don't know. Like I said, I am having a hot flash and I cannot think. This is a pretty color. It's like a lavender, purple. It's nice. I'm not overly excited. I might have something in my pile that I like better that I'll end up keeping. Here's a blouse. It's black. Not really a blouse. Not anything that needs iron. This feels like it's linen. And, oh, it has the tab sleeves, which I am totally not a fan of at all. I could probably remove that. Well, we'll see. Yeah, I mean, oh, okay. This box is not looking good, let me tell you. For items I would want to purchase. This is, okay, this is cute. I like this. I like this sweater. It's, this to me would be more of a fall because it's heavy, but it is very pretty. Look at that. The detail on it, it's that's probably an ivory. This is very pretty. Okay, so the sweater I have on is very lightweight, so it's perfect for this transition. I mean, I think it's going to be in the 60s today, but it's still early here. So, oh, these look small. What size are these? Ooh, Well, oh no. Well, they're 29 waist. I don't know. Look at how small these look in the waist. I need a stretchy waist. Highly desirable, universal fit, high rise, straight leg, eco-friendly. Oh, okay. Well, unfinished hem, boot cut. It says straight leg. Looks boot. I don't know. Oh, these look kind of small. What brand are these? Silver Jeans. Silver Jeans. Isn't that more of a junior brand? I don't know. I might be putting all my items back in my closet, except for maybe one item, maybe the earrings. But, you know, you never know till you try them on. That is what is so great about these boxes. Did I tell you the styling fee is $20? Yeah, styling fee is $20. Shipping to you and returns are all free. And that $20 is applied to anything that you keep in that particular box. So let's get to the try on. Okay, let's talk about this top first. This is by LOVEAPPELLA. I am wearing a size small. It's $44. I love this style top because you can kind of scrunch it here a little bit to kind of hide, you know, those bag of potato chips you ate the night before. It is a true wrap, so it's, you know, it goes all the way in. It's going to stay in place. For me, it will. No problem. Yeah. So that's what I love that about this top. I am just like not with it today. What is going on with me? Obviously, you can see that it is short sleeve or sleeveless. See what's going on? You would need to wear a special bra, either braless or crisscross bra in the back. But I think it's really a cute top. This one is damaged right here. I'm like, oh, what happened? At first I thought it was supposed to have another strap here, but there's not one on this side. So I'm like, nope, that's ripped. Let's see. It goes up really nice under the arms, so no problem hiding the bra. It's really a nice top. I think that I would maybe need a medium because this is a little snug, but I don't know. This one's gonna go back no matter what. And honestly, I don't know how much I would wear this, but looks really good with the white jeans. So let's talk about the jeans. The jeans, and you know what? I have a jacket I'm gonna try on with this outfit to show you how you can dress it up a little bit more. All right, the jeans. The jeans are by Silver Jean. I am wearing a size 29. They're $74. They're the straight leg. They're called the Happy Desirable Straight Leg. Let me tell you, ladies, the waistband is too tight on this girl. I need a little bit more stretch in the waistband, and I think I would be okay. Okay, or I need to stop eating the potato chips, one or the other. But they actually fit really nice. They're not a real thick denim, but they're not real thin. The length is good. I've got the pockets, coin pocket, belt loops. If the waistband was just a little bit, would give a little bit more, then they would be a keeper. I mean, $74 seems reasonable. Let me get the jacket and show you the whole outfit. Dressed up with the jacket. This one I've had forever. I think I bought it at the outlet. So, looks nice dressed up. All the earrings are really cute. They're $36. They're by SAACHI, S-A-A-C-H-I. But when I first look at them, they kind of look like a fish scale. This is the first thought that I got when I see them. But more than likely, these are going to be a keeper. And I have to tell you, the jeans feel like they're stretching out a little bit. They feel good everywhere but the waist. But we'll have to see. I'll keep wearing them throughout the rest of the try-on. So let's try on something else. This is a really nice top. I am eating my words. I love the fit of this. This is by MATTY M. It is called the Roll Up Cuff Linen Top. It is $68. I'm wearing a size small. I love the fit of this. I like the V-neck here, and then the small collar I like the way that it fits. It fits very, very nice. And a small with Wantable is a size 2 to 4. I really like it. It's part linen, part rayon. And I don't remember the percentages, but it's almost 50-50. I mean, it feels nice. I can see it wrinkling, which linen does, but it's really a nice top. Fits well. Here's the tab sleeve. If you like tab sleeves, this one is really nice. It doesn't seem to be rolling. It stays in place very nicely. And then here's the other sleeve. And I like to roll the cuff up, just wear it like that, and usually have some bracelets on. But the sleeve it's got a button. It's a decent, it's not too long. I'm 5'3" for reference. It's just really nice. I didn't have to unbutton it. I just pulled it over my head without any problems. But I love the fit. Now, do I love it enough to add it to my closet? That I don't know. But I want to show you the outfit with a white denim jacket that I got from Talbots last year. And all the information, if I can find any links, will be linked below in the description. So hang on. And here it is with the jacket. And the sleeves, again, I like the cuffs to cuff them up. I cuffed up the black sleeve, tucked it in. A really pretty long necklace would look really nice with this. So this makes a cute outfit. I'm gonna have to think about keeping this top. Let's see what's next. With shoes, with these wide leg pants. I have on a pair of tennis shoes. What's that look like? I don't know. I don't know what to wear with these. And then I have a pair of my wedges, which I think look better. I don't know. I don't know how to wear these pants. Okay, let's start with the sweater. The sweater is really, really nice. They call it a V-neck. It's by VOY Los Angeles. It's 100% acrylic. It is dry clean. It is very warm. To me, I would wear this in the winter more than the spring. It's $68. I'm wearing a size small. It has a nice hem on the bottom with the ribbing. It's a very, very pretty sweater. This is an ivory. Look at that. It's so pretty. The sleeves are a little long, but as you see, I've rolled mine up. What else can I tell you about it? It's a really pretty sweater. But 100% acrylic. Right now is not the time of year for me to buy something like this, so I'm going to return the sweater, and it's dry clean. I know I can wash it, but you know, I don't want to deal with being too careful with fabrics right now. I just soon be able to throw them in the washer, either hang them up or throw them in the dryer and be done with it. All right, let's talk about these pants. These pants surprise me. They are by Liverpool. They're called the Pull-On Wide Leg Pant. I am wearing a medium, and I didn't look at the fabric, but I will put that on the screen. They are $89. They are really, really nice. They have the pockets in the front, the drawstring, elastic, which I didn't think I would like, but I like these. I like these a lot. The pockets in the back, these are sewn together. And the length is weird for me. I'm not crazy about the length, but I know they're in style. I feel like they should be just a little bit shorter or longer because I'm 5'3". I just feel like they need to go up a little bit more. I think they look better with the wedge than the gym shoes, but I think you could wear both depending on the top that you put on with it. So they're pretty cute. Surprise, surprise, but I'm not keeping them because I don't know when I'd wear them. I wouldn't reach for them. If I knew that I had the right shoes that I could actually wear for an extended period of time and just the right outfit and felt good in it, then I'd go ahead and I'd keep them. If I worked, I would put heels on with these and a nice dress top. That's how I would wear these pants. All right, I only have one more item left. All right, this is really soft, very soft. They call this the Drawstring Raylan Terry Top. And this is the color Plum. It's really, really soft. I'm wearing a size small. The arms are pretty long, but I like the length of longer arms. It's $59. You know, I would call this a cow neck. I don't know. They don't really say. But it is a working drawstring. I mean, it's really soft. Okay. Here's the thing. It says dry clean only. No, dry clean or hand wash. One of the two, and this girl's not doing either. I think it's hand wash. It's not dry clean. Look at this. It's really nice, but I'm not going to take a chance on throwing this in the washer after spending $59 for an item. I don't understand why this is hand wash. I don't get it, but for that reason, I'm not keeping it. It seems like it should have some pockets because you've got some room here. You've got some stitching detail going down here. I mean, it's really nice. It's soft. It's pretty, but not going to keep it. So basically, the only thing I'm going to keep are the earrings. I like the earrings. I'll be able to put my $20 towards it. So then that makes the earrings really $16. Or I lose, you know, $20. So I really like them. I'm going to keep them. I'm not keeping this because it's hand wash. Even though everybody's going to say, just throw it in the washer. No, I'm not going to do that. Not for $59, take a chance of ruining it. The pants are really nice. I'll put the fabric on the screen. But I'm not going to reach for them. So why fill my closet with things I'm not going to reach for? I do like them. And I like the fit. I like the feel of the fabric. But right now, my lifestyle, I'm not going anywhere to dress up. I'm usually wearing jeans, throwing some heels on, and a jacket with a t-shirt or something, pretty much. Or, you know, one of my dressier shirts. This sweater is really pretty, but this one is dry clean. It's either dry clean or hand wash. I don't know, whatever I said before. So for that reason, it's 100% acrylic. I am not keeping that. The jeans, actually the waist ended up giving a little bit, but I don't want to put something in my closet that I'm going to avoid reaching for because the waistband is a little bit too uncomfortable. So I'll hold out for a pair of white denim that the waistband fits me better. But these are nice. I like the length. I like the raw hem. I like the straight leg. Everything else but the waistband was good. All right, this cute little top. This I'm going to pass on. I'm not even going to exchange it because I'm probably not going to reach for it. If I worked outside the home, then I probably would. But there's other things in my closet I'd rather wear than that. All right, this black linen top. I love the fit of this top. If it was in another color, I would be very tempted to keep it, even though it's linen and rayon. But I love the fit of it, and I like the look of it, except I prefer not to have black. So the 7 items I pulled out of my closet, I said that I would keep whatever I'm going to keep from my Wantable box. I'm only keeping 1 item, but you know what? I'm going to get rid of all 7 of those pieces because I don't see myself pulling for them to wear them. Everything is very nice. I like everything that I got in this box and the items that I pulled out of my closet, but I know I've passed them up all winter. I'm going to pass them up again next winter. So let's just make room for some new items and just start fresh. Start with some things that I want to reach for and that I get excited to wear. So that's it. That's my Wantable. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.